Okay, I'm currently back on, and it looks like they're doing more here. Waiting for them to do more. My chickies are doing a lot right now. Just taking a break from the fireworks. Oh, wow, that was a big one right there. Let's see which one's Ducky. Ducky, which one's you, Ducky? Is that you, Ducky? That's Ducky right there. That white one right there is Ducky. We have so many white ones. We had to actually put a little yellow thing on him. As you guys can see, we have like a little band on him, and that's him right there. Ducky, Ducky, Ducky. Let's check on the fireworks, see if they're popping now. See if they're popping now. Whoa, that was a big one. Check it out. It's a lot right there. Sounds like they're doing some in the back over here. It's currently like all flooded under my trampoline. It's all muddy. Look at how flooded it is.
It's not that flooded. Only got the backyard a bit. It's muddy, but
Not popping so much now. But you watch, you're gonna start popping a lot. Oh, it's 10? Yeah, as you guys can see, it's 10. It should be bumping a lot now. And yes, my wallpaper is Ducky. Look at how cute that is. Whoa, did you see that? It's all over the backyard, like all over.
these ones back here usually have the biggest ones.
Yeah.
This side. My ducks don't even mind. They don't get bothered from the firecracker at all. My ducky.
There's a little light. Okay, there. I got the little light on. Whoa, you see that? That was loud.
You literally smell firecracker smoke.
Yep.